Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. In Christmas times.
Good morning. Hi everyone. You go to a hotel and make your bed like I do, because I always do. If my bed is not made, I can't even start my day. It's something that I'm already used to. Hi, welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Yeah, we're progressing. We've entered 2 digits now. I can't wait for this Vlogmas to be over. I don't want to give up, and I hope that I have content to be giving you all back to back till the 25th. So I just finished editing today's video, Vlogmas Day 10, and I'm watching Sotoyin over there. My laptop is on. I just dressed my bed now, like you already saw, and I want to go shower so I can give you guys a tour of my hotel. This hotel, right, it doesn't even feel like it's a village hotel. Right now I'm looking at bushes. Let me show you the vast land over there. Like, the bush is crazy. My window is broken. It's actually a village, but the facility is really good. So I'm going to give you guys a tour. I don't even know the name of the hotel. There's a paper I was with. Mes something. I think I've thrown it away. Something Mesdor. I'll leave it on the screen though. But it's located in Umunya, in Anambra State. I will talk to you guys soon. Let me shower and wear something. See ya. I'm done taking my bath. I just slipped into this simple dress, and on my feet I have my rubber slippers. So yeah, this is my room. I know I've already showed like a pic of it in the prior vlog, but I'll show you again and talk more about it. So this is a room. This is called the classic room. I think it goes for 10,000 a night, but if you're paying for more than 2 days, it's about 9,000 thereabouts. I can't remember, my receipt is somewhere. Yeah, it's just pretty simple and modern. I'm not mad at it at all. Let me just show you the facilities in the room. Over here you have a TV, and it has cable. So right now they're showing Captain America, the First Avenger, and here there's a table, there's a chair. Over here I have my essentials. I just arranged them, my bath bag, my toiletries, drinks. My boyfriend's sister just left. She brought me these wines. This is called Grand Dessert. I think it's white wine, and this is called Edward's Classic. This is rosé. She also got me disposable cups. I got this plate from Port Harcourt. I have milk, I have my coffee, I have bread, I have cereal, and over here there's a fridge. Inside the fridge I just have water and this juice. She just brought it for me now. It looks like Fanta, but it's not Fanta. It's called Nara. Oh. Narekele. And here there's a curtain. There's a frame on the wall here. It's pretty simple. And here you have the different switches already labeled. Over here you have the one for the AC. This is the one for the heater, and that one is the light switch. Down here is the only switch in the room, but there's a downside to it because I had to go get this adapter from an electrical shop outside to accommodate my MacBook charger and my phone charger. So it's just a regular 3-mount socket, which I feel like no hotel should be using again because we're in 2021, for crying out loud. And down here you have a wardrobe, simple wardrobe but cute. I love the theme of the room. I have my things inside. Over here my box is there as well, and on this side I have my dirty clothes that I need to repack, and my footwears, the few footwears I came with. So this is how the room is. The bed is not so big. I feel like this bed can only accommodate 2 people comfortably. Aside that, it won't work. And then you have your bedside drawer, then this mirror that you've already seen. Let's move into the toilet. Pretty simple as well, but quite modern. There's a mirror over there. There's the bath area, the washroom. You have this notice that says talk about towel. There's a heater, there's a toilet and stuff. I love how simple it is, even though I'm not such a fan of the tiling in here. It looks dirty, but it's not actually dirty. So yeah. You also have a waste paper bin right here. I just emptied it out and put everything in this carton that the wines came in, so I'll just drop it outside for them so they can dispose of it because they haven't come to clean. The room also uses card, so if I take out this card, the light goes off. Let's go downstairs and show you guys other areas of the hotel. Let me drop this here. Trash it. Lock my room. So yeah, more rooms. The hotel is 2 floors, I believe, but I am on the first floor. There's also a lift. There's a frame here. I'm going to take the stairs because I need to work out. And then there's this very cute chandelier light. So let's take the stairs. Oops. So we're outside. Someone is at the reception, so I couldn't even film that, but I'll show you later. So this is what the compound looks like. Let me just go round. And this is the hotel from outside. It's actually really huge. They also have like a wheelchair entrance. 2 floors, like I actually said. This is it. Has so many trees. Harmattan has come. The weather is hot, but it's airy. Plus we're in the village, so it's inevitable. I have so many trees. I don't know what is going on down there. I don't think I want to go there, but yeah, this is it from this angle. That's the gate, the main entrance down there. And you have so many flags from different countries. And this is the hotel from this view. This hotel is in Umunya in Anambra State. If you watch my previous vlog, you know that I came here for a burial. So yeah. I think there's a bush bar down there. Let's go there and see. Here you have a sit out. Yeah, the building is so big. That's the gatehouse. They also have an ATM, but I don't think it's working. Yeah, this is it from here. Yeah, this is the ATM. I don't think it works. I'm going towards the push bar. Hope I can gain entrance. That's the gate. And yeah, this is the push bar area. I hope it's open. I don't think it's open. But yeah, you can see it from here. Push bar. I even thought there was a pool, but there's none. Let me quickly go back because I don't know my way around here. Going back to the hotel, it is huge, man. It is big, it is modern. I feel like this can pass for a 3-star hotel comfortably. I feel like that is the case. So this is where your girl will be spending the next 3 days before I head back home. It's quite serene. I miss Port Harcourt because of my family, but I don't miss the environment, the noisy environment, the black suits. I'm okay here. Like, I'm really okay here. For lighting, they regulate the lights. So there's, from what I experienced since being here for about 24 hours. Yesterday there was light when I came, but later they took it and then they brought it in the night. We slept with light. This morning they took it around 11ish, and before I came downstairs now they just brought it, so it's about past 3. So I think what they do is just wait for the gen set to cool down and then turn on the light, because it's a village and these people, I don't think they have NEPA light. They run solely on generator. In that bus, they're looking at me. I'm sure they're wondering, what is this girl all about? I'm heading back inside. Let me just quickly show you the reception. I think there's a bar, an indoor bar here. I'll just show you guys everything. Heading back inside the drive-through and exit. I love that it has so many trees, so the air is pretty filtered and all. At the entrance you have COVID rules, wash your hands, and over here you have the no smoking rule, no food or drink allowed, external food or drink actually. And this is the reception. You have a beautiful sitting area here. You can take pictures, and another one over here. And then this is where they attend to you. It looks good. I need to get food though. And inside here you have the bar I told you guys about. It looks cool. It's quite huge. So this is it. And there you have the drinks. And here you have a restaurant. Let me just give you guys a peek. Yeah. People are inside. I just ordered food. Yesterday's food it wasn't so bad, but why put ugu inside too? So it was not my thing at all. I just ate the chicken. The chicken was really nice. But today I just asked them to please just give me regular stew that I'm used to, because I haven't had anything since morning. And the guy is yet to get back to me. I think he entered the kitchen. So I'm just chilling here waiting for them. I'll give you guys feedback before I end the vlog, okay? I've ordered my food. They'll bring it to the room. I'm heading back to my room. I've done a simple tour of the space. The hotel, I always forget the name. Something. I always leave it on the screen. So you guys, if you're in this part of town, you can check it out. It's pretty decent. I'm not mad at it, like I said. I'm back to my room. I met one family downstairs. Apparently, their daughter is also a content creator. So the dad asked me what I do if I'm the one covering an event. I think they have an event going on here soon. I told him no, that I'm a content creator. He said his daughter is a content creator as well. I said okay, if she wants to meet, I told them my room number so we can just have conversations before I head for the wake up. I'll be out of here in a few hours. It's to 4, so I'm sure before 6ish I should be out of this place. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. I never knew this place existed in an interior Anambra village, but I'm glad it did, and I am so comfy. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching Vlogmas Day 12, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't done all of that. I will see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye. Angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.